Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys about whether you can install cPanel on localhost or not. So let's get right into it. Now, as you can see here, I'm on a web hosting forum, and as you'll see through these comments or these posts right over here, it is not possible to install cPanel or web host manager software on a local host. The reason behind this is because you do need an outward facing IP address. Now, your IP address is just the local IP address that points to your machine which you're currently using, which of course is not an outward facing IP. It is just used for local uses, and pretty much you're locked out of using cPanel simply because, of course, it is not outward facing, it is not for the public. Now, that's one reason. The other reason is that there are no personal use licenses for the software. It is designed specifically for web hosting companies to use, to offer along with their web hosting services, and pretty much because you can get a personal use license, even if you could afford a professional license, you wouldn't be able to use it because of the IP thing. And yeah, pretty much you would need to pay an exorbitant amount of money simply because it is a commercial and business license and not a personal use license. And yeah, that is pretty much it. Sadly, it's not possible at the moment, and most likely, or pretty much certainly, it will never be. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.